Hey, so we're staying at this Airbnb these holidays, and it's a really nice place. It's new. It's like less than a year old or something like that. A very, very nice place. Like we really like it. However, I was telling my wife, this shower isn't going to last a year, and it hasn't. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So as you come here and look at the threshold, it is a multi-piece. In other words, they're using tile to tile with a little piece of trim here. It only just catches more water right along this edge. And that in and of itself is always problematic. What's also problematic is where the water hits. You come down here in this corner, and this grout has already absorbed so much water. The water is going into the wall. Okay, you can imagine that going in here, going behind this tile. How do I know that? Because you can look behind the toilet, and there you go. So what it looks like behind the baseboard there and the drywall, we'll only know when they cut it out, but it can't get any better. It can only get worse. And this is a new installation. So if your threshold is a multi-piece, that's already going to be problematic. Because there's so many joints that water can get in, and all you can do is, if you don't replace it, is to clean it and seal it really well. If not, you still always have to watch that corner right there, and at least now you know.